Welcome back. We're here in the mile-high city of Denver, Colorado at the 50th Wood-Fired University, the largest culinary school in America for wood-fired cooking. And joining me right now is President Ajith Dharma. And Ajith, I tell you what, a big buzz going on behind us here. What do we have back there?
Bill, as you mentioned, this is our 50th Wood-Fired University. We are educators. Not only we manufacture, we are the leading manufacturers of wood-fired mobile pizza ovens. We take a lot of pride in ourselves being educators. We have put through probably over 1,000 pizzaiolas into all 50 states and overseas, and we continue to do that. So this is people from all over the country coming and going through an extensive 2.5-day hands-on and classroom activities. And when they return to their hometown, they're ready to hit the ground and run their mobile pizza catering business. We have few venue owners and also some pizzeria owners in this group. So that's what's happening in the background here.
Now, I notice you have award-winning and champion pizzaiola back there, Chef Tommy Garnick. And right now he's feeding this group, isn't he?
That's exactly right. Tommy has been part of Fire Within over the last 11 years. And he started out with one trailer, now he has 4 trailers. Started his restaurant 4 years ago, and he's opening his second restaurant this year. He won the California Grand Slam cheese and dairy competition. As a matter of fact, Tommy is a huge advocate of DiNapoli Tomatoes, which we're going to talk about now. In all his restaurant, in his catering, he uses DiNapoli tomatoes. So it's what a good segue to talk about an incredible product.
You know, and it really is an incredible product. It's that type of tomato that we need, but it is grown in California, finger on quality control, the taste that pizzaiolas are looking for, and the consistency as well.
I think that's what it is. As educators, we are very careful ourselves lining up with products. We just don't do that. We are product agnostic. However, when we see a compelling and consistent product, we like to showcase that. And also, most of our oven owners use DiNapoli tomatoes because of the philosophy, right? When you cook Neapolitan food, the philosophy is the prime ingredients, right? Keep it simple. Use local ingredients, and that's the story of DiNapoli tomatoes. They're grown in California, and when someone like Chris Bianco, right, James Beard Award chef, using that's a testimonial. And and because of the simplicity and because of the flavors and the philosophy of that product.
Well, I tell you, it really does underline the fact that this is the go-to tomato. Not only Tommy uses it, but we have James Beard Award winners that use it as well. And the fact that it is from California, it can be sourced really regionally, locally, and you do have your finger on quality control because you've been with it ever since it came off the vine.
That's exactly right. So that's why we like continuing to teach with this product, because a brand new pizzaiola need to understand the nuances of the flavor, right? At the end of the day, if you talk to an Italian pizzaiola, they talk about a concept called digestibility, right? And people go like, what is that, right? And that's about the lightness of the airiness and also bringing all the flavors together. You're creating a product that is good for you, and that's probably going to be the most intimate experience somebody's going to have, tasting your food and digesting that food, right? And having DiNapoli tomatoes in your repertoire is part of that story. So as a matter of fact, if you're going to be at the Pizza Expo, I would highly recommend you to stop at DiNapoli booth, get to know Rob DiNapoli. He's, get to know him, ask him about what is the, DiNapoli difference. Taste his tomato and find it out for yourself.
And as I understand, I've heard that Rob really wants every new oven owner leaving with a case of DiNapoli tomatoes as well. And I think that's really great.
That's exactly right. As a matter of fact, every oven trailer that we ship, we put 2 cases of DiNapoli tomatoes. So once they, practice in the Wood-Fired University, making pizzas and tasting that pizza, when they get to their hometown, they have a couple of cases that they can play around and cook and feed the family and the community. And I think that's a great experience.
Well, I tell you what, this is just one of the many different aspects of the Wood-Fired University 50th anniversary, big milestone, congratulations, and a lot of excitement here. And as I understand, you have a lot of exciting things coming up for 2020 as well.
That's exactly right, Bill. So celebrating the 50th and 2020, we have incredible lineup. We're going to be at the Pizza Expo. Come and visit us in our booth, Fire Within. And also, we have 4 more Wood-Fired University sessions set up. One of them going to be an advanced one. We're going to have one of our friends like Peter Reinhardt or Michael Calanti coming in again and teaching some of the advanced skills.
Well, with that said right now, Ajith, I know you have to have the attention. All of our viewers out there, what's the best way for them to learn more about Fire Within Trailers and the Wood-Fired University?
firewithin.com. There's an 800 number. Call us, and we love to consult people and support you.
Easy enough. Ajith, thanks for being on again.
Thank you, Bill.